answers.
It's your lucky day.
Yo, what's poppin', guys?
Okay, so a geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers in which the ratio remains constant. The common ratio is found by dividing each term by its previous term. All right, so we are going to determine whether the following represents geometric sequences, and if yes, then what the common ratio is. So, 10 divided by 2 is 50 divided by 2, and 250 divided by 2. So, yes, R equals 5.
So you divide every other number, like,
You
all
said
the
by
rest of the
2
numbers by
each
the
time.
first number?
You divide each term by its previous term.
Yeah, you just said 2 every time instead of 10 divided by 2, 50 divided by 5.
Oh, sorry. Yeah,
250 divided by.
you know me, not using my words right. That's why I'll never be
Jeez,
famous.
man. Cut it off the clip.
Okay, so 45 divided by 135?
3.
No,
Yes.
I just did.
you did it wrong.
No.
45 divided by this. You did.
Oh.
So 1/3.
No.
15 divided by 45?
Oh wait, 1/3.
5 divided by 15? 1/3. So yes, R is 1/3, not 3, because if you multiplied this by 3, you would not get 45.
You could try.
You can try, but you won't get it. Okay,
We're lucky.
18 divided by 6, 3. 24 divided by 18, not 3.
So as if it's no, it's just no.
It's just no. There is no R. That's why it's no. Okay, negative 14 divided by 7, negative 2. 28 divided by negative 14, and negative 56 divided by 28. So yes, R equals negative 2. Okay, is number 5 a geometric sequence?
Yes.
What is my R value?
-1/2.
Good.
Jeez, man.
Okay,
Pencil broke.
is 6 a geometric sequence?
Maybe.
I am.
4. Yes.
Yes. R equals 4. Okay, on this next section, we are going to complete the missing blanks. So on number 7, what is my R value? Negative 3. So 63 times negative 3?
-189.
Negative 189 times negative 3?
567.
And 567 times negative 3?
-1701.
Good. Okay, what is my R value for number 8? Guys,
1/4.
stop talking. You should be doing this with us. 1/4? So,
0.25.
yes. 192 times a fourth?
48.75.
Mm,
Wait,
48.
never mind.
90. I said 98. That's why you messed up. It should be 92.
48. Yeah, 48.
48 times a fourth?
It's just 20. Wait, no, 12.
12. 12 times a fourth?
3.
3. Okay. What is my R value on number 9? Half. Half a 2?
1.
Half a 1?
0.5.
Half a 0.5?
1.25. So 25.
Oh,
Good. What are we multiplying by?
5.
5.
5?
So next we get
620. Negative 625.
negative 625 times 5.
Negative 3,145.
Good. And times 5?
15625.
Read it like a big kid.
15,620.
Negative.
I don't put commas, so it really confuses me.
All right. There is a beautiful formula because when given this on your STAR test, they're not going to ask you for the 6th value. Okay, they're going to ask you for some ridiculous number. So we can use this awesome formula to find it. So, the nth term of a geometric sequence can be found using the following formula. A to the power of n equals a1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So, n, or I guess a1 is your first term in the sequence. Oh, what the heck?
Tearing.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay.
I like that. You should keep it.
Tear 'em. Okay. A1's your first term. R is your ratio. And n is whatever you're solving for, the nth term. Okay. So, we have to write the rule and then find n, or whatever n we're looking for on all these. We're finding a to the 7th. So my rule first, before we even get anywhere with the 7, we have a sub n equals, what is my initial value, my first term?
3.
3 times, what is my r here? 3
To the
to the n, nope, we're not there yet, minus 1. You have to write your rule first because on your homework and on the quiz, I believe, it'll be like an A and a B. A is asking for your rule. I do not want the 7 plugged in. I want the equation that'll let me plug anything in. Then you go find a to the 7th. Okay?
Oh, you plug it into that?
So this is just telling you what you're finding. There's nothing you do with this. This is just saying, hey, I'm finding a to the 7th to find, or the 7th term in this sequence.
Is that ever a question?
So the answer will be A7 equals.
Yes, so like,
Oh, you don't
Something.
solve it?
no, we're solving this. We're not done. I was just telling y'all what's going on. This isn't like, you can't like get rid of that 7 or whatever. This is just saying, hey, I'm finding the 7th term in the sequence, so I'm going to do this. So 7 minus 1 is what? 6. 3 to the power of 6.
9.
Wait.
Power of 6.
I don't know. It's.
Put it in
I
calculator.
did.
3 raised to
Big
6.
number.
Read it.
729. That's all I got.
Times 3. Did you
No.
already do the times 3?
Yeah.
Okay. That's
2187.
2187.
2,108.
And then
Thank you,
7.
Macy.
Can I get 300 for that?
You get a brownie point. 2000. I'm sorry. I know you said it 87 times, but 2000 what?
2,186.
Ooh, look. I even pulled that 87. Okay.
So we have to write that equation.
Yes. This will be one of your
Finally,
questions.
See what you did.
Okay. On number 12, what is my R value?
5. Negative 5.
Negative 5. So I have a to the power of n equals, what's my initial value?
4.
Negative 4 times
Negative 5.
to the power of n minus 1.
Now.
Okay, now we're plugging in our 7.
A7 equals negative
times negative 5.
Negative 5 to the n minus 7.
Oof.
And you get A7 equals
62500.
62,500.
Isn't that easier for you? And I just remember.
No, it's not.
Really?
It makes you sound dumb.
6215.
Flip it over.
I don't like these.
They're easy.
Thank you for your
Alright,
input.
so over here we're going to go ahead and write our equation again. Just, what the heck? So we know what we're plugging into. So A sub n equals a to the power of 1 times r to the power of n minus 1.
Wait, that's hard.
Your time is at 10 minutes.
It's okay. I have enabled. I made it where I can post big videos.
Let's do it that
Good job.
Did you call them?
Alright. Nope, they texted me.
What'd you say?
I didn't even have to speak to anyone.
What'd you say?
I replied with the verification code.
No, like, what did they take?
They said, well, here's your verification code, and then I plugged it in.
And you said, thank you.
No, I just plugged it in and said,
That's rude.
it's automated.
Why did you not say thank you?
God, you're so rude.
Okay, what is my R value here?
Well, one half.
Our value is
1 half.
200.
1 half.
1/2.
Oh,
I'm
shoot.
so
You're fine,
lost.
To get from 200 to 400,
Well, the first time you ever did it, I couldn't see what was going on.
so I've done it 8 times since. Same thing, nothing's
Makes no
changed.
sense.
Done it twice.
You
Only
only
twice.
3 times.
Okay,
Was this
so A sub n equals my initial value is what?
400 times 1/2 to the power of n minus 1.
And we are still solving for the 7th term in the sequence. So A sub n was 400 times 1/2 to the power of 7 minus 1. So 1/2 to the power.
Is it gonna be 7 every time?
No, that's just what it, on the directions it asked us to find the 7th term in the sequence. Girls, quit talking.
Shh.
Okay? So you have to pay attention to what term it asks you to find. Okay.
Wait, you're gonna be real proud of me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 6 2/10 and 5/100.
I don't even know
I'm
how to
sorry,
do that.
what?
I'm doing. It's a decimal.
Just say
6.4. No, we don't say point here. We say tenths.
Okay, so
6.5.
6
Decimal points, 2/10
Miss Dunn used to make us do that.
and 5/100.
So you would say 2,500.
What?
Good job, Audrey.
Thank you.
All right, what is my R value on 14? 5. So I have A sub n equals.
It's all the same thing. Why are we still going over it?
You still don't know how to do it.
I know how to do it now.
1 times
I know how to do it now.
5 to the what?
I'm tired of looking at the same thing.
Why is it 1?
Your initial value.
It's the
Oh,
first
oh, okay.
number.
Stop doing that. You won your lesson.
Okay, so we have A sub 7 equals 1 times 5 to the power of 7 minus 1.
And you get
15,620.
Alright, homework. Tired of watching
Nope,
this.
do number 15 on your own.
Then the home.
I already did.
negative 4 divided by
I already did. I'm so cool.
I did not say talk to each other.
Pinky.
All right, Bo.
I'm not done yet. Just got pinky out. Jeez. Stop coming at me. I'm tired of it.
I just wanted to know what the R value was.
Oh, it's, 4.
Okay, thanks. It's positive 4.
Negative 4. I say it's negative, it's negative.
Okay. We'll see how that
How
goes.
math works.
Alright, so A sub n equals, what was my initial value? Negative 1 times 4 to the power of n minus 1. A sub 7 equals negative 1 times 4 to the power of 7 minus 1. What do you get?
Negative 4,096.
Negative
Oh,
4,000.
I just got it
Not,
right.
that's not right.
I didn't get it right.
Wait, that's what I got.
No, I mean, I didn't write it right.
Yeah,
Oh.
come on.
See, you know how you would write it right if you went 4096.
Swing it, cue, I got that.
Okay, we're gonna skip down to these
19 and 20.
19 and 20.
Yes, sir.
Alright, the table at the left shows a car's value for 3 years after it is purchased. Write a rule to represent the car's depreciation. So, what is value? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is listed 10,000, 8,000, 6,400, no comma.
No comment.
Okay, 0.8 is my rule.
0.8.
How'd you get that?
She did 8,000 divided by 10.
Oh. 10,000.
8,000 divided by, yeah, that's what I meant. I was like, it's not going to be. Okay, A sub n equals, what's my initial value?
10,000.
10,000 times 0.8 to the power of n minus 1. So you see how this was the answer to 19? Okay, that's what I was saying. You have to be able to write the rule without plugging anything in.
It's going to be 3.
No, there's nothing. We're done there on 19. On 20, it asks us what the value of the car will be after 10 years.
So 10 is what you plug in.
So n is 10. So we have a to the power of 10 equals 10,000 times to the power of,
10 minus 1.
good.
Mace, did you get big decimal point?
Yeah. And you get
But we are finding what kind of answer?
money.
Money. So you need to round it to how many decimals?
2.
2.
And you get
How do you write a summary?
1,842.
1,000.
We're not doing that. Okay.
Good job, Bo. $1,342.18.
What?
What's after that 7?
That's
I want you to roll it up 2 and 8.
Summary